This is la Seine, an espresso machine from a French company called Maxim. I'm so impressed with this machine, not just because it looks amazing, but also it's all-in-one. Out of the box, this machine comes with everything to make a good coffee. It has a built-in grinder that you can grind by weight and brew by weight. The most impressive feature it has is that you can brew using different pressure profiles and flow profiles. You can set the time, weight, temperature, and make every cup your own. Leave a comment below if you have any question.